Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer and the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer. In today's video, we will explore the key features of each product, including their capacities, power ratings, and drying modes. Whether you're living in an apartment, dorm, or simply need a space-saving solution for laundry, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers a significant advantage with its 3.5 cubic feet of drying space, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Clothes Dryer has a smaller capacity of 1.5 cubic feet, which may be more suitable for lighter loads or smaller households. This difference in capacity can greatly affect your laundry routine, especially if you have a larger family or frequently wash bulky items. Power is another crucial factor to consider. The Euhomy dryer operates at 1,500 watts, providing faster drying times and more efficient performance. On the other hand, the BLACK+DECKER dryer runs at 850 watts, which may result in longer drying cycles. If speed and efficiency are your priorities, the Euhomy dryer is the better choice. Both dryers offer a variety of drying modes to cater to different fabric types. The Euhomy dryer features 4 modes: strong, intelligent, ECO, and normal, allowing for versatility in drying options. In comparison, the BLACK+DECKER dryer also offers 4 programs: high-temperature drying, sensor dry, air dry, and anti-wrinkle. This variety ensures that you can find the right setting for your laundry needs, whether you're drying delicate items or heavier fabrics. In conclusion, both the Euhomy and BLACK+DECKER compact dryers offer unique advantages for those in need of space-saving laundry solutions. The Euhomy provides a larger capacity and more power, while the BLACK+DECKER is a more compact and budget-friendly option. Consider your specific needs and space constraints when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.